If you have any type of car buying question, please write comment in the comment section. Today video is about PMV Eas Micro EV variants and all details explained. PMV Eas-e Micro electric car price starts at 4 rupees and 79 paise lakhs. The company claims they have already received over 6,000 orders, both from India and abroad. Deliveries will start by May to June next year. As far as dimensions are concerned, this micro e-car is 2,915 millimeters long, 1,157 millimeters wide, and 1,600 millimeters tall. Just for reference, India's smallest petrol, the Alto 800, is 3,445 millimeters long and 1,515 millimeters wide. The Eas-e is pretty tall for Ruminis, just 17 millimeters lower than the Venue compact SUV. This car looks micro, but is intelligent and technologically loaded. For instance, it offers remote parking assist, cruise control, regenerative braking, and OTA or over-the-air updates. You can also start the aircon remotely thanks to the mobile application. It is also 4G enabled and gets different riding modes that can be accessed through a dashboard on the driver's seat. The PMV Eas-e electric car is the first of its kind vehicle in India and promises to offer a viable solution for urban mobility. It has a top WAC of 70 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 50 in just 5 seconds. Although specs are not out officially, we understand the electric motor generates about 13 brake horsepower and 50 Newton meters of torque. The car can, as expected, be charged from a normal 15 AM power socket too. PMV Eas Micro EV reveals Alto 800 and Hyundai Venue facelift. For more information about PMV Waste Micro EV, please subscribe Motorcar India and press the bell icon. Like this video, share with your friend, comment me which type of car buying question you have.